Welcome to Mishna study Masachet Eruvin, Perek Yod Mishnah Zayin. Over here, this Mishnah I'm going to discuss drawing water from a nearby cistern. Now, okay, let's jump into the Mishnah. We'll explain how Rambam explains this as we go through. If there's a cistern or a pit in Reshut Rabim, and it's chulya, right? The rim of the pit is 10 tfachim high. Okay, now there's two ways to understand this. Either the dirt is coming above the ground 10 tfachim, or the dirt, right, plus the depth of the hole equals 10 tfachim, right? So if you dug 5 tfachim deep and you had 5 tfachim of a rim of dirt going around, that would total 10 tfachim, right? Those are two ways of understanding this, and it actually depends. So actually, let's see what's the law in Mishnah. If you have a window above this, you go ahead and draw water from this cistern on Shabbat. Now, this can be one of two ways. It was starting to explain. So if we're talking about that the actual rim, right, the dirt itself is 10 tfachim high, then if a person goes ahead and he lifts the water outside of the cistern over 10 tfachim high, because he has to get above the rim now he's already in the makom petur. So a person's carrying water through a makom petur, and that's okay. So he could bring it into his house, right? There's no issue over here, and it doesn't matter how far his window is away from the cistern. It could be more than 4 tfachim, right? It could be close, or it could be further away. But he's also, the point over here is he's carrying it through a makom petur, so that's okay. Or the other way to explain this is if the pit and the rim equal 10 tfachim. So let's say it was 5 tfachim deep, the cistern, and it was another 5, the rim was another 5 tfachim. So now, if the window is less than 4 tfachim away from the cistern, then you could go ahead and carry. Why? Because again, you're carrying through makom petur, because it's less than 4 tfachim away from your window, right? The cistern to the window is less than 4 tfachim, so that means you're carrying it through a makom petur because it's smaller than the width of a reshut rabim. Okay, now ashpa b'reshut rabim. If you have an ashpa, right? Ashpa is literally a place where they would throw all the garbage, the waste, manure, whatever may go there. They would dump everything out into this pile, into the reshut rabim. So givua asara tfachim, if it's higher than 10 tfachim high already, okay? That's what's a reshut yachid, because it's higher than 10 tfachim high. So halon shal gabav, there's a window above it. Shofchim b'tocha mayim, you can go ahead and pour water outside right into this pile of garbage. Now this is specific to if it's a pile of garbage that belongs to the rabim also, right? It belongs to the public. But if it was a private garbage, that would not be allowed, because then we worry that someone may come, right? Private garbages, they clear them up pretty often, and we worry that once they clear it up, someone won't be careful, and they'll pour water outside into the reshut rabim itself, not onto this platform that's 10 tfachim high, not into a reshut yachid, rather they'll pour it directly into the reshut rabim, and they'll be chayav hatat. So that would be not allowed if it was a private garbage. But being the Mishna is talking about public garbage, that's why it is considered okay.